What's up guys, Michael here with Primal. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen a knife without sharpening a knife, so stick around. If you're like most people, you've used some type of sharpening tool. Scissors, knives, an axe, maybe a lawnmower, something. As a result, at some point, you've no doubt had to deal with a dull blade. When that happens, most folks tend to grab the sharpening stone and go to town. But the fact is, while sharpening a knife is something that needs to be done on occasion, it shouldn't always be your first choice. In my opinion, you should try stropping your blade first. I know many people hear the word stropping and they immediately get a vision of those old-timey barber shops where the guy is prepping his straight razor for the next client. But believe it or not, any edge can be stropped. Now, why strop instead of sharpen? Well, put simply, when you sharpen a knife, you're actually taking away material from the blade. As finite as it may be, you're still grinding away steel. And over time, your favorite chef's knife will end up becoming your favorite paring knife. Stropping, on the other hand, hones the blade and is much less aggressive. Think of it as a way of maintaining your blade in between sharpening. In today's video, we're leaving the leather behind and instead, I'll be turning this piece of scrap MDF into a honing wheel. Enjoy the video. Oh, and by the way, if you like what you see, hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, remember to click that bell for notifications so you know when the next video is coming out. Now again, I'm not saying you should never sharpen your blade, and there are definitely times when sharpening is essential. But before you go out there and grab your stones, try to see if you can get the results you need from stropping. Thanks as always, you guys have a great day.